So you're trying to learn how to do a smoky eye, which is a staple in makeup looks. You should know how to do it even if you're a beginner, because you never know when you're gonna need to put on a nice little black dress and rock it, or when you're going out. It's so easy. But if you don't know how to do a base like this, soft glam, watch this video. All right, now let's get into the video. I already started. I did my brows, I did my eyeshadow base, just putting on concealer as the base because I traced below my eyebrow with my concealer and I traced above my eyebrow with foundation. So I have a little bit of my forehead, above my brows blended, my concealer, and my nose is blended. My nose is my regular foundation. As usual, products are listed down below. I did use LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn for my base, and today we are using, I've kind of bashed this. I hope there is not media to prove it, but I did low-key bash the Easy Blur by Huda because sometimes it makes me look orange, but I just think it depends on what time of the year it is, because right now it fits me, but in the fall it won't. I don't know why. By God's grace, it does today. So, and that's what we're gonna be using today in the shade Peanut Butter Cup 455R. Now, usually when you're doing a black smoky eye, you want a creamy black to begin, but I don't have one. So what we're gonna use is Maybelline Tattoo Studio Sharpenable Gel Pencil. But even if it's sharpenable, how will it come back up? Like, look at that. I just hope you don't mess it up. I usually use it as an eyeliner, but today we're gonna be using it as the base for our smoky eye, the black base. So I'm just gonna, okay, it's a little bit dry. Hello? So I'm just going to make small lines south, like just making lines towards my eye. See what I'm doing? And don't go above your crease. But I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner that's wet. I'm going to get a brush that's gonna give us a lot of tapping motion like this, and just go in, tapping again towards my eye. I'm trying to, there you go. Just a lot of tapping, bringing it down. I think the liquid eyeliner was a better choice than that dry, weird pencil. And I'm gonna kind of go higher, a little bit into my crease, but not too much. And we're gonna do a second layer. Oh, me likey. Okay, oh, let's actually make sure we put it on both sides. So this is e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner. I almost read it in Spanish. That was French. Okay, I don't usually wear contacts, but I love wearing contacts when I'm doing a dark eyeshadow look, just because I believe dark eyeshadows make light colored eyes pop more and bright more so for dark. Yeah, I am going again. I really like this side in comparison to that side. This side blended way better. I say this side because I don't know, this is my right, but is it your left? In here. How's your week going? How was March? Let's reflect. How was March? Because babe, I don't know what that was. March is always an interesting month for me. It's like October is that girl for me of the year, and then March is like no, like fat no. And I just wonder if that's like because it's my polar opposites. I don't know. How was March for you? Did you go anywhere for spring break? Catch any trips lately? I'm just trying to talk to y'all while we blend because my hand already hurts. Well, now you can keep blending up. It just depends on how smoky you want your smoky eye to look. This is not the only color we'll be using, interestingly enough. We will go in with a black eyeshadow. This is just our base. As usual, you already know what we're about to get into. We're going into the Beauty Bay Neutral for the two color palette. All right, so I'm going into the color Jet. I'm going in with the same side. Just doing a tapping motion, and we're going into our, ooh, see, you see the difference? Immediately, yes. Immediately, yes. Okay, so going back in, and I'm just tapping my lower lid. I'm gonna get that whole surface area first before going up. A pew pew. And you're probably wondering, why did I use two different products? I want my black eyeshadow to really pop, so. And to make it more defined, see how like right there where a little bit, it just looks like a, what's the word? A streak. It looks like a fat streak or strip on my eye. So we're gonna go back in and try to like cover that. There you go, yeah. That's much better. All right, so I think I put in enough black. I plan to use another color, but I want to blend out, like buff out the edges before I do that. And to do that, I took a very fluffy brush, not too fluffy, and I'm just going in circular motion above. Yup, just like that. Because with anything smoky or gradient, you really want to focus on blending it out. And it's just all about definition. Like if I wanted to be lazy, I would just leave it like this. But because I'm making a whole video about it and I want it to be spectacular for you and an ode to the 2010s like smoky eye looks, it's usually two-toned, or not two-toned, it's usually black and brown. This is so good. Like I really wish I was just gonna leave it like this. Like I feel like Miley Cyrus and her can't be tamed, can't be tamed. Like I'm gonna go in to pecan. I really like pecan. Pecan. Do y'all say pecan or pecan? I decided that I don't like how pecan looked. So let's go into pecan and glam. Clam. That's what we were looking for. Not the other stuff. Ooh. I think Moto like you. Again, circular motion. Just like that. And I want you to go from the outer, right? This is another way to do it. Go from your outer. Make sure you're not hitting your brow bone over here. You meet your eyebrow over here, like past the brow bone into your eyebrow, and then hug your nose just like that. Just like that. And then do the same for the other side. All right, now before you're like, it's not looking too smoky, I know. We're gonna go back in. We're going to go back into the black smoky eye. We're gonna pat again and build back up. I know this is like a lot of steps, but hey, we are in it to win it. In it to win it, to win it, oh yeah. So I'm just tapping in the same motion we did earlier. You can skip this if you feel like you're that girl and you got it down pat. This is for those who really don't know what they're doing. All right. So boom, now that we look like we just did a really, really big smoky eye, not smoky eye, like a big chunky eyeliner, we're gonna go back in with our fluffy jet. I'm gonna like brush it onto my hand a little bit and then blend it into that brown, bro. Like, I don't know why they playing with us. That's kind of the way you want it. And then the other side, I feel like every time I take it to the max. Every time I take any look to my brows, it's always dramatic. Like, had I just been like, oh yeah, like left it how it was earlier, we would have been having a different conversation, but that is okay. We move. So I'm going to do my full face off camera and I'm going to come back for blush because I do have some tips for blush. Yes, so I'll be right back. And we're back. We're stunning and we're live. Because we are doing a black smoky eye, I wanted to do orange blush. I want like a bronzier look. And what's more bronzier than browns and oranges in comparison to like red and pink blush? I used to even do purple blush, but yeah, I ain't feeling that no more. Hey y'all. Anyways, so I know this is a bit not what I should be using, but It's alright, it's alright. This is very old palette, 3503. I'm not even gonna link this one down below because they don't sell this no more and it's expired. I shouldn't be using this anymore. I've had it for a fat minute now. But yeah, I'm gonna go into this orange color. Use whatever, or use orange blush if you have orange blush. I had it and it broke, boo-hoo. And I'm gonna go into this orange right here, and I'm gonna go into like a brown so it's not too pigmented. Maybe like a, yeah, so I like that, like sunset-y. Put it on my hand, make sure I like it, and no smiling. Do we like that? Let's go really heavy into the orange. Bronzy, like I had said. Why does it look pinkish? I'm gonna bring it up to my temple. You're not gonna see it, but like when I put my hair down. It's like, okay, should we just go into the orange? I'm gonna go OD into the orange and pray. Hey, okay, I'm gonna go back into the brown and I'll go back into the orange. I'm like making a mess over here. Yeah, that's a bit better. Oh, what's that? It's looking like not what I was just describing to y'all. Oh, child. I'm gonna buff out the edges with my foundation brush. We are going to do our eyeliner. When I'm putting on eyeliner, I go in with my powder puff and I hold my eye down. And can y'all see me? Because every time I do that, I realize y'all don't see me. I'm just lining, putting black on my waterline. All right, now to get the upper, you're just gonna flutter your eyes on the eyeliner. Puff, you're gonna hold your eye down. Now this is low-key kind of pointy. It better not fall in my eye. Maybelline, is this you? Yeah, don't play with me. This is like what it looks like when you sharpen it, by the way. Anyways, so I'm gonna hold my eye again, and what you're gonna do is, there's no words to explain this, but you're basically gonna go like this and flutter your eye against it. Well, your eye's not just gonna flutter because you're trying to hit that upper part. Without, you know, poking your eye. Did it work? Hold on. I feel like I could do better, but let's just go on to the others. I'm not gonna connect it. I hate when I connect it. I look like I got panda eyes. I'm just gonna go underneath my lashes and just try to fan out the black eyeshadow. I don't know why I can't speak right now. Just so it's a little bit more dramatic, just a little bit. Like imagine eyeliner, but like right underneath your eye. So you know, like how we just did the waterline, so this is just like a tiny bit more. Just like that. Just like that, I'll repay ya. Now, I'm going to do bottom lashes, and then I'm gonna put on lashes, basically. So the way that I was taught to do mascara is you just shake it, like on your lower lashes, you shake it against, just to find it first. My goal is to make it pop. Like that, and then do the same on the other side. Then I'm gonna go back in with Maybelline. Yeah, this is the final look. I hope y'all liked it. I have a lip combo video. I'm sorry, I have to self-promote because Why not? I have a lip combo video, so that's where I showed you how to do this lip combo or a similar new lip combo. Maybe something you're more interested in. But yeah, this is the final look. If you like it, let me know. If you hate it, let me know. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a great day or a good night. Toodaloo. Oh, it's sharpenable. A pew pew, bra bra, a pew pew. Did I watch BoJack Horseman? I never thought I would actually like binge that show, but I am so locked in. Bra bra, pew pew. Like, love me BoJack Horseman. It just feels like como se dice. This is the side I've been working on. I'm gonna flip it, right, and I'm going to go just. I'm not even gonna use it no more. Cause why did it do me like that? You can't look at me and tell me I'm not a delectable chocolate strawberry. Don't mind my shoulders. They need some sun. I'm looking good. I feel like Queen Cleopatra. Oh, you can't even see how scrumdiddly yum I look.